Hi friends, today the important topic to be discussed is hypothyroid disorder and its lab investigations. Let's talk a little bit about this disorder. Basically, it is a endocrino-metabolic disorder. This hypothyroidism. In here, the main thyroid hormone, that is T3 and T4, and its productions is insufficient for our body function. Simultaneously, there is increased secretion of TSH, that is thyroid stimulating hormone, from our pituitary gland. That is the main pathophysiology for developing this disorder. So basic knowledge about hypothyroidism is essential to everyone, as because this disorder is a global burden, and India too. This disorder having predominant, every 1 out of 5 female are having this type of disorder. In another word, we can say every 1 person of a family are having this type of disease. So basic knowledge is essential to know about hypothyroid disorder. So now coming to the part, what are the causes for developing such type of disease? There is a many cause. Number 1 is the food or salt, water we are having the less iodine content. This is the main factor developing this disease. The second cause is sedentary lifestyle. That means less expenditure of energy. That's because we are having more and more energy taking, but the expenditure is minimum. So that's why this is another factor for developing such type of disease. Number 3, autoimmunity. That means antibody productions against our thyroid gland and protein of thyroid gland. Another causations are drugs which cause as a side effect of this disease, like lithium, amiodarone, phenytoin, etc. Some disease also developing as a complication of this type of hypothyroidism. And another cause we can consider as radiation therapy on thyroid gland on our body. Thyroid surgery also contributory factor about this developing this type of disease. So these are main contributory or causation about this disease. Now coming the important, what are the signs and symptoms? Here also there is a wide range of signs and symptoms. Among them 6 or 7 are more marked. What are they? Number 1, easy fatigability, marked constipation, weight gain also is another signs of symptom. Cold intolerance, also in hot intolerance also. In case of female, there is menstruation irregularity, joint pain and swelling, and also thyroid swelling is another sign of this disorder. So these are basically more marked, and some cardiovascular disorder also, palpitation, etc. Now coming to the main part, what are the lab investigation we can do? There is a many lab investigation. Now lab investigation we can do for not only for the disease diagnosis, and also we can detect the other complication, other associated factor, comorbidity also, that are directly contributory to this developing to this disorder. What are they? Mainly the thyroid hormone profile consisting of T3 and T4 and TSH, and also thyroid hormone releasing stimulation test. We can detect mainly free T4 and TSH. This is the basic things, and also free T3 and reverse T3. Behind this, we can detect in a laboratory micronutrient and also microminerals also, like vitamin B12, vitamin D, calcium, iron, and also iodine estimation associated with magnesium, to know the another contributory factor, deficiency of mineral, which leads to the rapid developing of this disorder. So another things antibody detections, that is anti-TPO, antibody against our thyroid gland, is autoimmunity detections, that is another essential lab investigation. Another lab investigations in case of swelling thyroid, or to know the anatomy or to know the function, we can go for screening, that is ultrasonography of thyroid gland. And any suspicious pathology or swelling of thyroid gland, we can go for biopsy or FNAC, fine needle aspiration cytology. So these are the main lab investigation we can perform for detection of this disorder, and also to detect the prognosis, complications, etc. So last coming to the part, the treatment. Basically is a hormone replacement therapy, mainly thyroxine hormone in the name of Thyrox, Eltroxin, Thyronon in the different doses, and also associated factor supplementation of minerals and treatment of complication. Thank you.